Hey guys, welcome back to Acro. So today we are covering the 207 white variant. हमने cover किया था अपने Instagram पे. You can check our Instagram out. So today we are gonna be taking a look at the black variant. So as you know, the 207 is a downsized version of 216. So the main motive Lianli had with this case is that M80X like compact size form factor में तुम्हें 80X और 360mm देना था Lianli को. One day me and our managers and Lianli were discussing that they need to bring in budget cases in India. So कुछ budget में लाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि Lianli is mostly famous for their dual chamber cabinets. 70 to 80% of the users are under 1 lakh. And अगर हम बात करें case की, case is like the last priority option. If I'm building my PC, तो first thing is the CPU and GPU. Mostly वो budget खा जाते हैं. So for those people who are looking for price to performance and तुम्हें अपनी worth दिखे for the money you spend, this case is for that. So it retails around 8,000, 7,500 to 8,000 में तुम्हें मिल जाएगा है with all our partners. So let's talk about what the Lianli 207 has to offer. So first fans की बात कर लेते हैं because it is a LANcool case. LANcool is for the Airflow series. LANcool के cases में क्या है? LANcool 2, LANcool 3, LANcool 216. Performance के मामले में they were the chart toppers in even Gamer Nexus testings. So this is the new performance topper in comparison to even the Lianli's 2116. So temperatures की readings will put down here. The temperatures are even better because this case has one unique selling point, that is the front mounted PSU. So let me show you guys the front mounted PSU. So this is removable as well. These are mesh holes. Okay, so you gotta remove the tempered glass first. So tempered glass हटाने के लिए you don't have to do anything. Screwless है tempered glass. Okay, so after removing the tempered glass, you can remove this. दो thumb screws आते हैं, they are attached. अब हम बात करें तो power supply की, as you can see. So talking about the power supply is usually here, but this is here. If you have two intakes here and power supply here, तो तुम्हारा जो intake जो fans fresh air pull करेंगे, that will be blocked. So Lianli ने क्या किया है? They've shifted the power supply to front. This is the first case to have a power supply at the front from Lianli. इस price segment में there are not any cases from branch. So इससे क्या होता है? This gap you see, this remains empty. Due to that, you can pull in really great fresh air from here and here as well. So that makes for a really good airflow setup and positive airflow इस case में. So talking about the fans की बात करें तो 120mm के 2 fans included है. The power supply goes in here and this feature also helps your cable management. तो तुम्हें यहाँ पावर एक्सटेंशन के लिए केबल मिलती है. So this is your cable right here. So this will plug in into your power supply and make sure you turn on your power supply button वरना चलेगी नहीं obviously. And पीछे से if you come there तो केबल मैनेजमेंट के लिए सीधा तुम ऊपर जाके यहाँ केबल ग्राउंड के थ्रू अपना मदरबोर्ड की 24 पिन केबल या ऊपर CPU की केबल you can manage and GPU cables go there. So the cable management is easy. Talking about these fans, the 120mm non-RGB stealth look जो दे रहा है flushed look है. So 120mm के 2 fans and they're from 500 RPM to 1950 RPM, 30.81 decibels, so they're even more silent. 71.1 CFM का airflow देने वाले. 140mm के 2 fans है. These are RGB. तो तुम straight up motherboard में plug in करके use these and control the ARGB. PWM fans है. All 4 are PWM, so that is a great thing. So these fans are two 140mm ARGB fans. 450 to 1900 RPM का इनका speed है, so that is a great thing. 109.3 CFM का airflow है and 34.86 decibel की noise है, that is really low. And this motherboard tray is flushed in, basically recessed in. It gives you a stealth look, like a smoothness वाला look देता है. So after you install the motherboard, you can have a ITX, ATX and M80X. Talking about the cable management के लिए grommet दे रखा है यहाँ. These are your 7 expansion slots. Also we just built in this thing, so there is a good feature. There is a good inbuilt feature in this budget case. This is the sag bracket. It comes with a screw and is metal. तो तुम्हें इसकी positioning 3 points मिलते हैं तुम्हें, where you can position it and तुम इसकी height wherever you want according to your GPU. And इसमें तुम 40-90 भी लगा सकते हो 3 fan. Coming over to the back panel is screwless, so you can pull it straight up. नीचे तुम्हें mesh holes मिलते हैं for your ventilation. जो तुम्हारे fans है they're going to be pulling in air, so पीछे से भी ventilation का ध्यान रखा है Lianli ने. You get your power supply mount. So power supply की cables यहाँ से straight up जाने वाली हैं. So cable management के लिए you get these केबल टाइज, 3 केबल टाइज मिलती है तुम्हें एंड योर ग्रोमेट इज राइट हियर। बात करें पोर्ट्स की तो दिस इज योर HD ऑडियो पोर्ट व्हिच इज ऑलरेडी राउटेड, सो केबल मैनेजमेंट का तुम्हें टेंशन लेना ही नहीं है। बात करें ऊपर की तो तुम्हें PWM केबल, दिस इज फॉर द फैंस, ARGB केबल व्हिच इज यूनिवर्सल, दिस इज फॉर द फैंस एज वेल। बाकी तुम्हें जो फ्रंट पैनल कनेक्टर मिलता है, दिस इज अ सिंगल कनेक्टर, सो दैट इज अ गुड थिंग। You don't get these multiple connectors जो connect नहीं हो पाते। USB Type-C and USB 3। So बात करेंगे I/O की। Okay, so if we talk about the front I/O, USB 3.1 Gen 1 है इसमें, which is your 5 Gbps. There is USB 3, 2 USB 3.0 ports। मिडल में तुम्हें पावर बटन मिलता है, उसके लेफ्ट में हेडफोन जाके। Let's come out to the front again, and front में तुम्हें पैनल मिलता है which you could remove straight up. These are mesh holes as well. So let's talk about these fans. These are 140 mm general fans hai. You cannot use them on a radiator or something. तो talking about these fans, लियानली ने क्या किया है, क्योंकि यहाँ से intake ही लेने वाले हैं, तो front में radiator का कोई support नहीं है, because radiator you can only mount upside in this thing, that too you should mount as a exhaust. Intake किया तो case के like temperatures and flow खराब हो जाएगा, inflow and outflow would not work out. तो लियानली ने तुम्हें एक ही ऑप्शन दिया है कि एग्जॉस्ट टॉप पे माउंट कर सकते हो 360 mm। फ्रंट पे तुम्हें these are for intake, these have the infinity mirror look and the build quality, the fans they pull in great air। 160 mm से थोड़ा कम है but the air they pull is still really great। 120 mm से काफ़ी ज़्यादा है। Talking about the top, so top too you can pull out straight up and mesh holes मिलते हैं तुम्हें। So the top is screwless as well। जो मैं फिल्टर की बात कर रहा था वो तुम्हें पावर सप्लाई का मिलता है, वो पीछे नहीं है, वो आगे है। So this is the filter you get, your dust filter for the power supply, because power supply is so close to the ground, so this is a nice addition। ATX power supply is तुम इसमें you can have। ATX power supply का under 160 mm है and most power supplies are under 160 mm। टॉप पे तुम 3 fans लगा सकते हो if you're using a air cooler। You can use 240, 280 and up to a 360 mm liquid cooler। So that is all in great for this case। पीछे तुम्हें ये बड़े बड़े honeycomb shaped holes मिलते हैं। So you do need positive pressure in this case। अगर तुम negative करोगे तो यहाँ से dust pull in हो जाएगा and it would be very messy। तुम्हारा PC बहुत जल्दी गंदा हो जाएगा। बॉटम से लेके टॉप पे दिस केस इज लाइक रियली ओपन। दूसरे केसेस में क्या होता है, these holes are very smaller and these are size like really big, so you do have a lot of airflow in this case and the build quality is still great। अगर हम I had to pull this up, अगर हम ATX लगाते हैं standard ATX तो that should be with maximum of 244 mm। That's your standard ATX। companies, motherboard companies go by standards only। Let's talk about the rear। rear पे तुम 120 mm का एक fan mount कर सकते हो exhaust, and 360 mm will be exhaust as well, so that will make it out to be a little positive pressure case। Okay, so GPUs की बात करें तो the length which you can support is 375 mm and 180 mm तक का CPU cooler इसमें लगा सकते हो। That is the benefit of recessing your motherboard tray, that you get more clearance। and 160 mm होता है यूजुअल केसेस में, बट 180 mm तक के टावर्स तुम इसमें लगा सकते हो CPU कूलर्स। सो दैट वाज इट फॉर दिस केस। विल कीप अपडेटेड। अगर तुम्हें इस केस के बारे में कुछ पूछना है और इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज सो यू कैन विजिट अस एंड आस्क देम इन द कमेंट्स। वीडियो पसंद आई तो यू कैन हिट लाइक एंड डू लेट अस नो हाउ इज द LANCool 207।